The key to all good veg prep is a sharp knife. So today I'm going to show you how to do traditional roast potatoes with some roasted veg. I'm just using some parsnips and carrots, and these are cut real chunky. And they get pre-boiled just for about 5 minutes in a saucepan and then drained off. The potatoes are boiled until they're just almost breaking up, and then these go onto a really hot baking tray with oil on, and then I add the carrots and the parsnips, and then these are seasoned up. These will go in the oven at about 180 to 190 for around 30 to 40 minutes. And then periodically, roughly about every 15 minutes, I take them out and just baste them again in the oil. Then the carrots and the parsnips, when they're done, I just take those out into a dish and add a little bit of honey. You could add a bit of thyme as well. Give these a stir up now, and then place them on a separate tray back in the oven just to caramelize up. Your potatoes would have maybe taken a little bit longer depending on the size, but once they got a nice colouring on them, then they're ready to come out, and that completes your vegetables for your roast dinner.